This is our 1997 Navigator 53, a handsome pilot house cruising yacht introduced in 1995 with the right mixture of features and price. Even today, the 53 remains a good value, delivering a lot of boat for the money. This 3-stateroom interior of the 53 Classic is arranged with a galley forward in the salon and a U-shaped dinette in the pilot house. We bored through the transom gate into the cockpit with over 100 square feet of usable space, perfect for lounging, dining, entertaining, or fishing. Features here include rod holders and a freshwater washdown, as well as the engine hatch. You enter inside through the sliding glass doors into the spacious, full-beam salon with a great entertainment center. Inside, there's also a gourmet galley, 3 private cabins, and 2 full heads. The couch can be pulled out into a double, and the light maple cabinetry is beautiful. The salon, galley, dining, and lower helm are all located on the primary deck level. The galley is spacious and, along with bar space for meals, features an electric stove, microwave, and double sinks. There's a lot of storage and a full upright refrigerator and freezer. Continuing forward, we enter the comfortable pilot house where guests can eat at the large U-shaped dinette while sharing the same great views as the captain. To starboard is a convenient door to the deck, so let's take it to the foredeck. The foredeck is relatively flat and spacious, which allows for easy movement and access to the anchor windlass, as well as being a great lounging space. Features include foot controls for the windlass and a freshwater washdown. To get to the Flybridge, there's an interior stairway in the pilot house. The Flybridge contains a large entertainment area as well as the upper helm. There's plenty of seating for 8 people, and there is storage underneath. Just behind is the dinghy and 1,000-pound electric davit. The helm has full electronics and communications. It features twin captain's chairs and is protected from the elements with a bimini top and enclosure. Moving back inside and just a few steps down a carpeted companionway, we enter the well-appointed living quarters. Immediately aft, you enter the full-beam master stateroom with a walk-around queen berth, built-in entertainment center, and enough lockers and drawer space to accommodate extended trips. The private ensuite head features a large vanity, vacuum flush toilet, and separate shower. Moving forward is the guest cabin with upper and lower berths. The VIP guest stateroom is all the way forward with an island queen V berth and ample storage. Aft and to starboard is the guest head with vacuum flush toilet and separate shower. The hatch with the ladder to the engine room is back in the cockpit. The entire below deck's engine compartment is a mechanic's dream with space similar to that found in the small garage. Located here are the twin 370 horsepower Volvo diesel engines and the Phasor 15 kilowatt generator. If you are looking to upgrade to a substantial vessel for exceptional cruising comfort, look no further. Starry Night has been well maintained and updated by a meticulous owner. The full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and please consider subscribing for more boat tours. For more listings, visit our website.